Yes, we've decided to dedicate a whole video to closing dates. People contact us all the time to ask if it's okay to change the closing date of their competition, prize draw or giveaway. The short answer is that generally you can't. There are some exceptional circumstances where you can change the closing dates, but they are pretty rare and there are two conditions that you must meet for this to be acceptable. So what are those conditions? The first condition you must prove is changing the date has become necessary because of some unavoidable circumstances beyond the promoter's control. Basically, this means that you need to show that you're not changing the date because you didn't put sufficient thought and planning into your prize promotion. The second condition is all about fairness. You have to prove that by changing the closing date you are not disadvantaging anyone who sought to participate, or you have to prove that not changing the closing date would be unfair to those who had participated. It's really important to note that you must meet both of these conditions. So in practice, if you didn't get enough entries and you wanted to extend the closing date, this wouldn't be acceptable. By extending the date and allowing more entries, you're decreasing the chances of winning for the people that had entered in the first place. So this wouldn't meet the conditions. Also, say you got too many entries and closed your competition or prize draw early. Again, this would disadvantage people who had planned to enter under the original terms but thought they still had time to do so. So the most common advice is make people aware of your closing dates and don't change them mid-promotion. If you want to find out about one of the rare examples where the ASA ruled that it was okay to change the closing date, check out the link in the descriptions box below.